Hey everyone, my name is Max. I'm going to teach you about BYOD today. These are my friends, and I'm going to teach them about BYOD today. Bring your own device is commonly known as BYOD, and BYOD is a concept that you bring your own device to a classroom or workspace in order to enhance your learning or be more productive. Hi, I'm Michael. Hey, I'm Billy. Hey guys, so what's all this BYOD talk about? What even is it? I'm glad you asked. Here, let me go through a little bit of the background information for you. Here we are in a traditional classroom. BYOD has been implemented into many schools all over the globe in order to enhance the learning of students ranging from kindergarten to 12th grade. The best part about this is that it gives the students a new way to learn, which usually excites them. BYOD has helped many schools throughout the world. However, it requires a few tweaks and adaptations in order for it to serve the purpose of learning. So that's it. You can only use it in the classroom. Max, why did you call me here today to talk about BYOD when you can only use it in the classroom? I'm not a teacher. Ha ha ha, Billy, that's funny. BYOD can also be used at work. It is not as common as using it in the classroom, but it still serves the same purpose. Here, let me show you how. So here we are in a normal office. BYOD can be surprisingly used for many things at work, such as business meetings, new projects, and overall working together on group assignments, which makes it easier with new devices and devices that you know about. What are you doing in my office? Oh, pardon me. My name is Max, and I am trying to teach everybody about BYOD. I thought your office would be a good location for it since I was talking about BYOD at work. I'm sorry, I will leave now. Well, guys, I got kicked out of the office that I wanted to tell you about BYOD in. I'm just going to have to go back to the classroom and tell you about it there. Anyways, there's not too much information about BYOD implementing at workspaces, but it has happened and it has been successful. With any new concept introduced into a public place, there are going to be problems and tweaks that need to be made for it to be successful. I'm going to talk about the top 3 problems and how they were solved in a classroom. The 3 main problems BYOD have run into are cheating, lack of focus, and lack of interest. The cheating aspect has been regulated by servers that can monitor what the students are doing. The lack of focus required an incentive to be placed, and the lack of interest you just can't really do anything about. That's about all the information I can give you now, guys. There have been many studies and experiments about BYOD that flood the internet and that you can read all about. I hope y'all learned something today, and thank you for sticking with me. Thanks for the information, Max. I really appreciate it. Now I can go to college with knowledge about BYOD. Maybe I can even talk one of my professors into implementing it in our class. Hey Max, thanks for the information, man. I'm sorry I got mad at you earlier that I thought it was only in the classrooms. Maybe I can try it at my workplace next, and maybe my boss will like me then.